Day 19. Dilim, pero look at that. That's beautiful. Maraming stars sa naked eye. Pero in camera, not chance of seeing anyone. Sucks. My favorite spot to walk with. Look at that. Meron na silang line sa gilid taas. Ewan ko kung meron akong dementia or what. But that's new to me. Kahit araw-araw ko naglalakad. So the conclusion of day 19, it was fun. So the social life at school is getting better. Hindi na katulad dati na kahit na ina-isolate yung sarili ko, I feel panic. Pero now, it's fine. I'm less destructive sa thoughts ko. Less na yung social anxiety, less na rin yung fear. Kaya ko na rin salita sa harapan. Public speaking wise, tumaas yung confidence ko. So, yun nga. So, moving, working out, any kind of exercise really help when it comes to mental health or yun nga yung social anxiety o anxiety mismo. So far so good. Planning to continue and sana less yung skip ng araw ko. See you in day 20.